this video, I will be showing you how to convert a lead to a case after they have hired. Beginning on the main page for leads, click on the name of the lead you would like to convert to a case. This will take you to a different page with all of their information. In the top right corner, there are two buttons for a close lead or convert to case. Click the blue button that says Convert to Case, and a window will pop up for you to type in additional information. Depending on what billing information was included when the lead was created, will determine what information needs to be included here. Go ahead and select your designated payment structure. Scrolling down, you will need to select who the primary contact will be if it's the client or a family member. You can also select a billing contact in the event the client is not paying the bill themselves. Scrolling down, you can select team member details as well. These unique roles are very useful because they can be used through your firm's automated workflows. For example, if you wanted a welcome message to come from the lead attorney automatically, assigning the roles here will let you do that. If your firm has an automation for a welcome message to be sent from the lead attorney, you need to select who the lead attorney is before you complete the conversion. Conversely, if you want the welcome message to come from the lead paralegal, you need to select a lead paralegal in order for the automation to go through. The next section allows you to add team members who are not in a specialized role for this particular case, but who would still need to have access to the case information. For example, if I wanted Abigail to have access to the case information and/or to receive updates on the case, this is where I would make those designations. Once you're finished with your designations, come down to the bottom right corner and click the blue button that says Convert. Once a lead has been converted to a case, it will appear on your Recent Cases card on the dashboard or in your Cases global module.